The truth is, 97% of people are not ready to buy from you just yet. And after working with hundreds of online entrepreneurs, helping them dial in their paid ads tracking, the number one mistake I commonly see is people set way too many ads trying to sell people their product. Now, through all the data that we track in my software company, the number one thing I see that drives the most results is properly re-engaging invisible leads. Now, if you don't know what an invisible lead is, I have more videos on my page, so feel free to go check those out. But once we get this invisible lead, the first thing we want to do is immediately retarget them. And we do this by using a very specific campaign structure on Meta's ads. Now, the second thing we want to do immediately is give value. And the first way that we can actually give value is by giving educational value, which is obviously helping them learn something or giving them a free resource or a template. The second way that we can give value is through something called emotional value, where we connect to the viewer on some sort of emotional premise. The third type of value we can give is comedic laughter. And this is basically being able to make people laugh through our content. The fourth type of value we can give is relational value, where basically someone sees themselves in you, or they can relate to your lifestyle, or they can relate to the problem, or they just have this really deep sense of relation to the content, to the brand, whatever you're putting out. And then the last type of value you can give is vicarious value, where people feel like they're living life through your lens. That's why we have POV trends popping off. People like living life through other people's lenses. And then the last thing that we're going to do here is leverage volume, where honestly, we're going to be putting around 25 different ads out. And these ads follow our 6 core pillars. We're making different style of content. And by doing this, people are going to see us all the time, constantly on every platform that they go, whether it be Facebook, Instagram. And if you do this long enough with enough good content, eventually you will become the authority in your space. Now, I do have a resource showing you how you can actually build and re-engage this invisible leads list. So if you want a copy of that, just comment re-engage down below.